Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn about how to insert data using SQL command. So you can see we have created already one form which accepts value from the user. And on click event of save button, we will insert data into the customer master table. So double click on the save button. You can see we have created SQL connection. Now you already know about how to create SQL connection and how to open that SQL connection. We have written one query which is insert into customer master, and we have passed value from text boxes and drop down which is created in form. So we are retrieving value from the form by this way. Now to execute this query we are using SQL command. So first write SQL command. This is the class which is used to create object of SQL command, and write the object name to cmd is equal to new SQL command. Now SQL command class accept two parameter to its constructor. So first pass SQL query which is our query variable, and second connection. So it is the connection object which is cn. Now we have created SQL command. Now to execute this query we have to write cmd dot execute non-query, which IntelliSense will automatically show, and call this function. This is the syntax to execute any query which doesn't returns any value. So we can execute insert query using execute non-query function of SQL command. Now I am displaying message in label control that data inserted. Now let's run and check whether the data is inserted to table or not. Write any customer name, Viren, address of customer to Bhindi Bazaar, and click on the save. We can see error is displayed that connection is not open. So we have to write this cn.open before executing query. Now rerun the application. Viren and Bhindi Bazaar. Save. We can see label is displaying message that data is inserted. Now let's check the value in database. Open the customer master tables data. We can see data is inserted of Viren. So this is about how to execute query using SQL command. Thank you.